Welcome to another math tutorial from the Math Tutor for YouTube channel. Glad to have you back. In today's video, we got a good one for you, prime factorization. So we're going to take a number, break it down into prime numbers that when multiplied will get our original number. So stay tuned for that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, helps us a lot. All right, let's get into prime factorization. First of all, what is prime factorization? Well, prime factorization is taking a composite number and breaking it down into prime numbers that when multiplied get us that composite number. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that is divisible only by itself and 1. So for example, the number 7. 7, we can only have 1 times 7 to get 7. Another example is 13. 1 times 13 is the only way that we can get 13. So let's go through prime factorization examples of breaking down a composite number. Our first example is going to be with the number 38. So when we think of 38, what two numbers can we think to multiply together to get 38? Well, I can think of 2 times 19. So we're going to set up a tree. So we have 2 and 19 on the branches, and they're going to go up to 38. So that's going to show us that 2 times 19 will get us 38. Now we want to see if we can form some smaller branches. Can we break up 2 or 19 any smaller? And the answer is no. 19 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, so we're done. So when we have all prime numbers, then we stop. Let's go through another example. 42. What two numbers can I think of multiplied together to get 42? Well, I can think of 6 and 7. So we're going to draw a branch to 6 and a branch to 7. Again, these are getting linked up to 42, showing that 6 times 7 will give us 42. Now, are we done? Are 6 and 7 prime numbers? No. 6 is not a prime number. That's because I can multiply 2 by 3. So I'm going to break 6 down into 2 and 3, as shown here. Now I'm going to reassess. I have 2, 3, and 7. Are those prime numbers? Yes. And the way I can check that I'm completely done as well and that I've done it correctly is 2 times 3 times 7 gives me 42. I got my original composite number back using the prime numbers that I have here in my tree. Let's go through a third example. 25. What two numbers multiplied together can I get 25? Well, 5 times 5. So I'm going to have a branch to 5 and a branch to another 5. Is 5 a prime number? Yes. So I stop, and that would be my prime factorization for 25. Here's another example, 18. 18, I can break it down into 6 and 3 or 9 and 2. There's a couple of different options, but let's choose 6 and 3. So I'm going to branch go to 6 and a branch go to 3. Am I done? No, you're right. 6 I can still break down into 3 and 2. So therefore, I have 3, 2, and 3. And just to double check, do they multiply and give me 18? Yes. 3 times 2 times 3 gives me 18. So that would be the prime factorization for 18. Hopefully you found this video helpful for going over the basics of prime factorization. We're setting up a tree to break a composite number down all the way until we get to prime numbers. And then when we multiply them together, we get our original number back. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to leave a like, and hopefully we'll see you in our next math tutorial.